Cayo.
Cayo Santiago Home of the Rhesus Monkey. Trapped in the wilderness of India, assembled on the loading docks of Calcutta. After sailing 14K with Carpenter, they arrived in San Juan by November. Consumption was the scourge of humanity, so the monkeys were tested with PPD. Some succumbed during the long journey, and many more died of TB in captivity. Cayo Santiago, home of the Rhesus Monkey. Cayo Santiago, home of the Rhesus Monkey. 409 finally made it to freedom, a lush legal island with Tom Island to feed them. Although there were problems of disease and socialization, colony survived thanks to the Marco Foundation. The warriors were lean and so were the Chavos. German U-boats sank the SS Como with severe food shortages and gasoline ration. And donations from the townspeople was what was happening. Cayo Santiago, home of the Rhesus Monkey. Cayo Santiago, home of the Rhesus Monkey. The monkeys bred so well that some had to be sold to universities and the army, we were told. But all wasn't good. And in 1947 they were offered free in science to anyone who'd have them. But no one wanted Cayo's monkeys then, not even for free. Isn't it ironic how foolish some people can be? So now after 88 years of breeding and observations, let's not forget to thank all of the monkeys, people and organizations. Cayo Santiago.